recipe was created by the students of the CTE Center in Frisco ISD. Okay, so now we're going to get started. The first thing we're going to need is our measuring spoons. We're going to be using a teaspoon, a half a cup, measuring cup, a table knife, and always ask a trusted guardian if you need help, and lastly a rubber scraper. Low-fat graham crackers, and we're going to be using 4 squares of them, so 2 pieces of the cracker. Washed and dried blueberries, make sure they're all clean, and you don't want them wet or else you'll get your graham crackers soggy. And lastly, our whipped up cream cheese. Okay, so you're going to need 4 squares of the graham cracker. I'm just going to line some on the plate. Now we're going to end up taking a teaspoon of the whipped cream cheese and spreading it across each one of our graham crackers. So I'm just going to show you how to measure it. We're going to just take it in here. First thing I'm just going to use my rubber spatula and just even it out. And you're just going to want to get it out on top of the graham cracker. Make sure to get all of it out. Graham cracker. So just go ahead and spread it across with your butter knife or your table knife, like so. It doesn't have to be perfect, always remember that. Okay, so now we're going to start by measuring out our blueberries. I'm going to put in this, I'm just going to use my hand, and they're already dried and washed. So you're going to want half a cup of them spread on top. It's about half a cup there. Okay, so now that we have all of them done, we're going to go ahead and take our blueberries and sprinkle them on top. Okay, so now that we're finished putting all the blueberries on, we're going to go ahead and enjoy this fun and healthy snack.